Hello, hello, hello. So, I know I haven't been streaming like for a while, but life happened. So, okay, I'll just go here. As you can see, we have a breadboard, we have some jumper wires, and also have some external LEDs. You might not see that, but can you see this? Resistor. Yeah. So let's try to do something with this, and yeah, we'll be doing that today. Let me just check before I do anything that everything is clear, stream is on. Yeah, I suppose that is fine. We can just do with that. So, so last time what we did, we only have done till this much. So, yeah, let's take everything out of the view and only keep the thing. It is a bit laggy. I don't know why, but yeah, it's a bit laggy. Is that for screen as well? What? What? Yeah. Okay. I don't think that is just the input lag. That's nothing to be worried about. Yeah. So for the last time we had this, and now we are gonna try with some external stuff, external LEDs. So we're gonna give it a shot. Let's see what happens. But before that, let's get into the code as well. Off stream, I was doing some stuff, so yeah, I was not playing around, doing nothing. I kept practicing, and I got some new ideas, which you might see, and yeah, that should be something to look out for. Let's get rid of this. Don't save. We don't want to save this. We don't want this. Hmm. Okay. I wanna get something done, so that's what I'm looking out for. We wanna go into main. Hmm. I just wanna make sure that this code is flashed onto the ESP32. So let's run this. I don't think we need to specify bin, so that should be fine. I'm unsure about. Okay, I can see the camera here as well. So, yeah. So while the ESP loads, we need to press boot, but it is loading ESP held for quite a long time. I feel a bit of jitter when like in my screen. I don't know why. It's yeah, now it's connecting. I think we can press boot and that should help the yeah, yep. Now this code is running. According to this code, what should happen is that we are powering the GPIO pin 2, which is nothing but, I suppose, D2, but we should check. We'll check for once and then we can go ahead. Hmm, pinout diagram should be here, right? GPIO 2 is nothing but this one, D2. Can you see D2? I can point it. Yeah, I think I can point it with this. So this one is D2. I hope I am sure it's not clear, but now it should be a bit clear. Yeah, it's this is D2, right? Okay. This, yeah, this is D2. So what we are doing, we are changing, passing a level which is low to high, and that's what toggle does. So I have not tried this, but like I have tried with the C++ version of it. Just give me a second. And so theoretically, if we connect, uh, since we are already passing GPIO pin, two pin as high and low, if we connect something from GPIO pin 2, it should work. It should like light up, or it should yeah, it should power up. The current should flow through that. Now you can see breadboard is connected. I don't want to push too much into it. I suppose you would have to miss some parts because I don't have like a good setup. Yeah. And we will also, I hope nobody's, I'll check out the chat later on. Like, give me a second. GPIO ground. This one is supposed to be ground. Yeah, come on, get to it. Hmm. So now you are able to see. I don't think you are able to see, but D2 is on 26th and ground is on 28th. So yeah, these two pin these two pins are there. We can connect it to, okay, I suppose we can do it here as well. One, and let's say to connect, let's not do more than four. I suppose four should be enough. Yeah, we have connected ground to four and GPIO 2 to 1. So yeah, but there will be a issue that it will not show. Okay, 6 and 9. Red one is the GPIO2, which is the positive, I suppose, and 9 is the ground, which is the negative, and this is the LED. This has a long leg and a short leg. Longer one is the positive, and shorter one is the negative. Depending on the config, it should light up as well. And it so positive goes into red because red is CPI2, and ground we connect to the negative. I don't know if it'll go any further than this, but I'll try. I will try to get a better connection. Give me a second. Yeah, this is a better connection. So this also lights up the external LED since GPIO to 2 pin is being used. Wait a second. If we are not using that, then only the blue light gets used. Okay, that is something. Okay, I plugged it into the wrong ports. Since there is no resistor, I have not connected any resistor right now. So the current might be too much for the LED, so it might fuse as well. But yeah, so this is the code that is already working. So yeah, give me a second. Let me see in case any viewer is in the chat telling, shouting something, and I am not listening to it. So yeah, I don't see any viewer. Okay, is my voice gone? Hello, 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 hello. Okay, it's not gone. Nice. So yeah, supposedly we do this as well. We connect two LEDs instead of one in the same configuration, just that give me a second. This thing is hard. Without breaking it, please. Okay. If we connect two LEDs, both of them do turn on, but in case we do a blue instead of a red one, so there one mystery happens because I don't know why that happens, but yeah. The blue one doesn't light up. I don't know why, but it doesn't. Okay, now that you know about this, let's continue some more electronics because I didn't know about all this. So I thought it would be pretty helpful for someone who is like at first hand. Like it took me some time to figure it out, but not that much. So yeah. So let's suppose you connect. Okay. So positive in one, negative is in 11. To connect the circuit, you need to add more stuff. Let's say you add a resistor to it is connected. Resistor doesn't have positive negative, so it can go either ways and it will act as it should. So this one becomes positive, this one becomes negative, and yeah, and I would have to. I don't suppose I should do that with the LED. Should just connect it here. Okay, my it should be here. Come on, go in. It doesn't go in. Yeah, it goes in here. So it does light up, not so bright because we added resistor. So and this is uh 10,000 ohms resistor, I suppose. It's 10K. You can check through the colors present on the resistor, how much value they carry. So that's that. And other than this, what can we do? We can, okay, so if the resistor, if the light doesn't take all the, can you see the blue light blinking? The blue also blinks because this is not taking that much current from this. So this also blink, but as soon as I remove the resistor and suppose for connection, I would rather use this. Uh, these pins are so like they can be broken very easily. So I have to be careful not to use my strength. Okay, this works. I just have to take this, put it to 3, but now it's behaving weird. Is it not lighting up? It is lighting up, right? But why is it acting like there is a resistor in between? What? It's crazy. Let's just, yeah, if we add like this, it is not behaving like that. Add here, am I, are these LED consuming too much light? That, okay, just give me a second. What if there is a blue one? Okay, now both of them don't light up, right? Both of them don't light up now. Don't know why. What? Both of them not lighting. Okay, now there is only one. There is only one. It takes all the electricity from the blue one, and blue one stops blinking. That's weird. Let's just say that. And okay, let's try to create some sort of GPIO 15, maybe 15, GPIO 15. Give me a second. We are gonna do some disco today. Let's say that. Now, now we are gonna do what? We are gonna take ground. We are gonna take ground, and this whole thing is ground now. Negative. It should work like I want it to. Hmm. This negative is the ground, right? Now we'll have more wires coming in. So, okay, from negative, is this broken that it's not going in? Just give me a second. Hmm, that's fine. Okay. Now what I did was this entire negative line is uh, ground, so I made it ground. So now if I need to connect to ground rather than connecting to one pin, I can connect to any pin. So basically what I'm trying to do is have multiple pins rather than one pin only. Yeah, now we'll make some code changes. So yeah, let's see if we can make some code changes to make something else happen. GPI 15 is the D15, so D15 it's in the middle of the. That's a problem. Let's not do GPI 15. Can we do some other things? Can we do D4 instead? Or will it work with this itself? Let's try to connect. If it doesn't connect, then we can. Okay, it did connect. Why am not to? Okay. So basically, GPI 15 pin is not configured, so it is constantly supplying electricity. That's why this LED blue is blinking. It's not blinking, it's there. Is there something wrong with this that it is not blinking at full strength? Let's just check that. Yellow is the GPI pin. Yellow is GPI pin. I don't know. I don't know is why that's happening. Let's just run this so that we may know. Okay, we have made a syntax error. Uh-huh. No, and does it need boot? Okay, it does need boot. Okay, now it's both of them are blinking. Oh, that's cool. At least to me. Tony Stark. Bunch of crap. Yeah, yeah, I just saw it. How are you, Thorfinn? Bunch of wires. Now that we have this, is there a way? Is there a way to like take input? There must be, right? There must be, right? There must be a way to take input for sure. There should be, but how? The thing is, there should be a like. I should have one more scene language. Shall I do that right now, or in which like the screen is bigger and this one is smaller? How's it? I am fine, but yeah, I have not been streaming for a long time. Long time. The thing is that I get distracted while streaming. So a bit that is a bit like, whoa, I have come to stream rather than to work. So that's one thing. That's like pretty weird. I should rather. I was thinking, what was I thinking? I was thinking it's a bit distracting, streaming and learning both. I saw some of it like off stream, so that's why it's easier. Now we wanna see. I wanna ask something. If ESP is connected to my laptop, can it also take input from it? I can print stuff. Mm, yes, it can. Okay, but is C++. I need a Rust version of it. Hmm. Write data? No, this is some other write data. RFID. I don't know if it's your internet or mine now. RFID. Print ADC, ecosystem, draw image, I2C, LDR, code, servo motor, PR sensor, ultrasonics. I just want to write something to it. Mhm. What? Yeah, let's first do this. Get a scene. Mm, We want everything. We wanna copy this. Control C, Control V. Now you could hear me probably. We don't want. We want one more media. Now you should see abstract animation, and you need an image. Then okay. Then Okay, now frame should go down a bit. Now we need to add desktop and source. We need screen capture. I hope it does not capture my face. And noise, this must not be it. Screen capture, yeah. Delete. Come on now. A bit choppy, but I guess I would have to. Okay, let's just do it. We need a bit smaller because that will also come right. Just give me a second, I'll read chat. Just give me a second. Ah, that's just fine. Now, now one more. This one, no, don't. That's this one, right? Where did it go? Where did it go? What? No, not that. Cancel. Firstly, I want to see where the computer screen is. So this didn't change, right? Size. Okay. Add source. Existing source. Okay. Where is this? What is the name of this? Video capture. We wanna copy this. Paste this here. If I change the size, let well no size things don't affect it. It's fine, I guess. Yo, I am just trying to fix this kind of uh, so that you can see both of them rather than seeing one of them at once. So now I need a frame, right? I need a frame. Add source, which is a picture. This one we can add existing since no, this one is not it. Remove basic frame. Add source image. We want, I guess, two. Add existing. This one. This one is also, but fine. It's fine. It's fine. You can just steal this. Oh, come on. Uh, can I go in swap transform, edit transform, height? We want to increase the height. You want to increase the width as well. No, not that much. Yeah, that's probably it. Yep, that's fine. Yep, we got it. Now, don't worry about that. You can see both of them, right? Now, Now, how do we read input from a thing? I don't want it to be overcharged, so I know that it can create a lag. It did. Let's ask if ChatGPT knows how to in Rust rather than C++. Wait, okay, HAL has a UART, but this is a normal program, right? Rust input through to UART in ESP32. Embedded. Just go ahead. Are they writing anywhere? Yeah, no, not what we want. I just frequency. No. Let's see this fast. We just want to see this. Yay! Suppose that A was for seeing the screen and see. For right now, okay. Wait, what we do need printer and we do need. Let's get rid of this code because we don't really need it right now. Or rather, comment it out. No, 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 no. Com- I don't know how to comment it out in like new Vim right now. Should get that. Hmm. So what is it saying? This is saying, I don't understand what this is saying at least. This is saying that we should get a variable. Firstly, we should import UART and config. Config we should already have, we don't have config, okay. Let's just define it separately so we can get rid of it in case we see and it is UART and config and this should be like this. Now, okay, first we should read the code. We are defining a mutable reference of UART with a new peripherals is UART 0, config is mutable buffer. If you're asking how to do it, Mm, explain the code uses so that I get a better. Write your own Git in Rust. Yeah, that could be done. Like I have seen people doing it. Mm, okay. Use imports, and so you don't have to write full path every time. Okay, you have to write okay. Hardware UART, that is fine. UART is used for transmission. UART 0 is connected to USB serial on the development board, so it is this development board, I suppose. I get that. Just tell me what. Okay, UART new creation failed. Panic. Loop file to creates a buffer. Unsigned integer value, 8-bit integer value. Then move like byte. You type a computer science 65. T stores in buffer 0, then reads it. Is this for just memory? Is this just for memory then? Yeah, buffer. It creates a buffer. Okay. Instead of copying the buffer, you modify this buffer. Buffer 0 is 65. But it will not in the sentence, I suppose. It will not because you means the ASCII byte for the character 1. So when you type 1, it will. Okay, that is all fine. Let's go through the code again so that we know and we understand. This creates a buffer, this reads the buffer, okay, and this is writing. We may not write back, we may just use println. Where are these peripherals coming from? Same ones. Let's see. Config default, okay. Mutable reference of UART is UART. We are defining new where we need peripherals dot uart is 0, and we also need config. Is it config.config or is it config.init default? Okay, default is a function. So yeah, here it should be this. Let mutable buffer is equals to how did we, it was 0, 8 and 1, was it? Okay, there is a semicolon. That's one. Why is there a semicolon in between of this? Read. Is read buffer or uart.read? No, Siri, you need to go. Did something happen to the string? No, right? This shouldn't be an array, I suppose. This should be a method. My writing is correct. Yep. Let height is equals to buffer 0. That's fine. Let's see. Intel and will this work? It doesn't work. Cannot find ESP in scope. What do you mean ESP? Okay, ESPL is like that. Okay. Now it complains no method name read found in enum core certain current scope. Okay, we used unwrap here so that we import it correctly. Now, and now it's not complaining. Windows M. Hopefully it will not blast. And we need boot. So it starts flashing. Now I can read command. Did flash? 1. Did flash. But what? Where to type it? I'm not able to type here. I'm not able to type here. Is it something that we need to send through the USB or something? How do you write? How do you write to it then after flashing? After flashing, you don't need to refresh. Time, flash time. If okay, let's just say le- how do we do this? Is it that we need to check for the screen, check from the screen itself, or let's see. See, conclusion. Yes, it is not allowing us to write through the screen. Let's try this instead. Control C, and this doesn't work because I forgot how to exit through the screen tab. Shift V, Picoform is not. Hmm, let's see which one is it. USB 0 itself. What this one? No, it's USB 0 itself. Hmm. Hmm. It's not allowing to write through the screen as well. The screen as well. Did I make a mistake in the code? GVG yank it. Control should be no, it shouldn't have been. Fighting over UART 0. Okay, let's say if the write is there, we turn we take this Control C, enter Control Z. No, 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 no. Yeah, you did I make any mistake? No, I am not. No. Is equals to peripherals. No, output PIO 50. Let's do the blue light level. 0 and output config is default. Let's say if it's okay, let's remove printer and for now d enter tab led dot toggle cannot found module peripherals. What? Did I write it wrong? Peripherals? Same, right? Don't tell me that the ownership. Okay, okay, I got it. Take now should not flash. Fail to connect to device. Fail to connect to. What? We just. Okay. Oh, we did not close it. It's fine. There, but we did not close it. We did not close the screen, right? So that's why it is how to close this. Close this. Control A, press K, Y, C. Oh, damn. I closed the terminal. How to kill the process? There is txt something. Now I guess. Remove errors. Don't tell me. It's there, right? There. Can I, can I, can I? Okay, now, please. Now it is doing its job. Yep. Okay, it successfully one, two, is not allowing us to write, right? Control C. Let's just go C. It's not allowing us to write. So how do we kill it again? Control A. Please both key. Press K. Obviously, the problem, the bigger clue is that can you see the output of print program started? But I have never written that before the loop. Okay, okay, if you say so. Should be JJ, this shouldn't be a problem. Cargo run. Come on, this time it should flash itself. I don't need to budge in. Program started. I am able to see program started, but after that I'm not able to see anything. As you are to support both read and write in your HAL version. Change the loop. Use a better Picocom. Okay, let's see if this is not here, but okay, Windows T, we should be terminal ready. What? What if I do a reset? Let's just use this. UART dot write. Is it right? It is right. And the byte we passed and we unwrap this. Right. Ah, cannot find value byte. Okay, I have changed the value of byte. So no problems now. No problems. Cargo. Will it fail to grab that? Yeah, it will. Control C, Control C. How do I exit? Is it also Control KW? Dash it. How to exit Picocom? Control A, Control X. Control A, Control X. Program started. Control C and we can just connect to here. We just reset it once. No, no matter what I write after program started, doesn't work. Why? Control A, Control X. And for this, we need to run it again. As soon as it, but wait, why is the LED on? Control C. I wanna wait. I wanna get to Picocom and then I wanna reset. Nothing is being printed as well. Can Claude do it? I want to see what happens if we do it through Claude. Is a non-blocking. It returns immediately when there is no data. So your loop spams error. It is all controls. Everything else that it did is the same. So we can just do this. Yeah, control shift V. What happened over here? We made a mistake. Did it import non-blocking from somewhere? Yes. Okay, and B, we need to add an dependency. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Maybe maybe there is read. UART did change something? It didn't change anything, right? Didn't change anything. A read, why doesn't? Can you share your cargo.toml? Where is it even opening that? What? Search for UART. This is new, man. What if I share this file to him? Share the file to that. Yes, yeah, instructive. Destructive. But why is this playing on? I don't get it. I don't get that. Progi. Why is what? Progi? We'll do a reset once. Progi. We will totally get out of here and we'll use Pico. Progi. Again. Progi. Why is Progi here? Control A. How does it even come up with Progi? What? Why does it come up with Progi? We'll also provide it this input so that it could get to the bottom of this as well. And I take a rest. Meanwhile, we'll review the code that it wrote so that at least we could gain something out of it. If n is greater than 0, okay, suppose we get n did toggle something. I suppose it didn't toggle, right? We didn't. Come on, come on. Okay, just. Whoop! It just fell. which is why you might have seen that happen. I hope you didn't see anything that was not supposed to be seen, right? Hmm. Same, the mutable buffer was there. You are T0, T new, you are T0, unwrap, if anything else that it did. I don't see anything else that it did. Care, anything that read method signature. No, it's not it. Telling, look at this. What is telling, look at this? Beginning, getting cut off. The chip is resetting immediately after boots and crash. Reboots in a loop. Almost. But okay, let's just see what happens if we use URT1. If that is the case, it should have a different outcome, shouldn't it? Lol. Program RNG year. What? Reset it. Reset also comes the same. Boot. What does boot do? Boot doesn't do anything. Reset. Reset also has the same problem. Rather than writing, let's do us to do dt I tab control shift V. No. JJ Now copy this. I tab control shift V tab, but UART is not defined there. dt, come on, enter control shift V. Okay, let's see. This time it didn't say anything. But it didn't write as is not even working. Control C. Let's see if we perform. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of this. Now, even now, if it has a problem, then you know, Control A, Control X, and then flash that again. Okay, just please. Still not able to write it. It's local echo, so you can at least confirm. Oh, it toggles Control A, Control E. That means it toggles Control A, Control E. Wait without serious. Control A, control view. Hmm. Which one is the okay, one is 13. This one is not used. And which other one it used? 3, right? 3 is 12. That's fine. I think that's fine. Produce some errors. No. Oh, it worked. Oh, it worked. But what? Okay. Okay, I get it. Can we also do this then? Can we also do this? Let's see if we can do this. Wow! We can finally take input and we need We learned how to take import. Basically, we have to define it through UART, and we have to assign some ports for it as well. And there are three peripherals as okay. We'll not be doing with this. We'll be doing with this. We'll plus reset so that one, two, three, four. Okay. Control A, Control C for local echo. Yes, so that now you can see I am pressing which button. Did anything happen? But we are not printing anything, right? We are not. What if we write something to it rather than uh, I window M? Can we do UART dot right here? Dot right here. JJ. Can we? Can spectate Control F right. Right. You wanna calculate this? Okay, now that we have flashed the thing, we can go reset it. Now Control A, Control C for local echo. And if we press 1 once, so it also. Uh, if we press 2, it's off, 3, fine. So we have the message. Now we can just switch back to this. That's not important. Now, let's just see. Is it the correct way to accessing it? Character. Alright. Firstly, we have to close this again and again. We don't have that's a redundant task. We press the reset. Ooh, okay. Wow. We are able to access it. Okay, since we are writing, we don't need to create, create. That's just very good. Now we're gonna have some fun. No, not this fun. I need here. Those M. So basically, we define UART from UART. Referrals, we already know what it is. We just have to get port 1 and can we print a value as well? So that's one thing we should check for. No errors. Right. Right. Come on. Mhm. Yeah. Now we do control A, control X to that control and flash. Flash. Somebody's watching. I don't know who, but how's up? What's up? How's it going? Let's try some random. One night. Disco. Sorry. Give me a second. Give me a second and don't fall, please. Please don't fall. Yeah, this is here, right? Wait, the println part is not happening. Okay, that was good. I guess that was good. Tomorrow we're gonna do tomorrow maybe tomorrow maybe not tomorrow, but we are gonna do PWM. Gonna go through it. Fine. Now I go. Bye bye guys.